Welcome to the February 2015 Kaweah Delta Newsreel.
We are excited to announce that Kaweah Delta Rural Health Clinics will be operating their fourth clinic in Dinuba, along with Exeter, Woodlake, and Lindsay. The clinic will offer primary care and specialty services. Our core of primary care includes adult services, pediatrics, women's health, and biobehavioral. On the specialty side, we will offer services from cardiologists, endocrinologists, orthopedists. The purpose for the rural health clinics is to provide access to services. So our rural health clinics, we bring providers from the community to provide services to the underinsured. About half the people in Tulare County have Medi-Cal insurance. It's difficult for them to find a provider. By these rural health clinics, we're able to provide different points of access. And this clinic can serve up to a population of about 50,000 people, or the reach of the clinic will be about 50,000 people.
Well, the new mission statement for Kaweah Delta is to provide high quality, safe, customer-oriented, and financially sound health care services to meet the needs of those we serve. Here at Kaweah Delta, patient safety is at the forefront. We're always looking at ways where we can improve in this area. One thing that we're doing is we constantly look at data and make sure that our data is right on and that we are making improvements as we need to be. So a few different areas that have popped out of our data include making sure that our staff wash their hands when they should. And this doesn't just involve staff, it also involves patients as well as visitors. Another thing that we do is we catch our staff when they're doing things well, when they're actually making decisions about patient safety at the bedside and then turning that around. One of the areas that we're focusing on at Kaweah Delta is infection prevention in the area of reducing healthcare-associated infections. And so we're strong advocates of patients coming to surgery clean. We're using a campaign that's actually entitled Come Clean to Surgery. And so we want our patients to be bathed with a chlorhexidine solution prior to coming. Actually, that involves 2 baths prior to coming to see us. And then after they've seen us, we would like them to take care of their surgery site. And so we're giving out patient information for our patients.
Therapy specialist was a long-term vision we had to combine 2 clinics into one major location and expand our services to provide high-quality, safe care and excellent care for the community. Our new facility is going to benefit the community by being a much larger place with more access to therapists. We have floor-to-ceiling windows, a Pilates studio, and a new plyometric track for promoting performance with a rehab. Our services will benefit the community because we have access to multiple service lines in one location. We have physical therapy, hand therapy, women's health, pelvic floor specialization, as well as our integrated fitness Pilates studio. To get in contact with therapy specialists, call 624-3427.
Here at Kaweah Prompt Care, our services that we offer are anyone who needs to be seen by a provider or physician when their own private doctor is unable to get them in a timely manner. For your cough, sore throats, the weekend warriors who get injured and need an x-ray, that's what we're here for. Long-term care, we highly recommend you going to your private physician who can manage your illnesses, but for anything that's acute that you need to see a doctor for, we're here to help. The great thing about our Kaweah Prompt Care located on acres is that we're able to serve the people in the Visalia area that live on the west side of town. Also, our population in Tulare. One of the great benefits about our Kaweah Prompt Care is that we offer something called the Quick Pass. What the Quick Pass offers is the ability for someone to make a reservation for a room, kind of bypass the waiting room experience that a lot of people feel that they have at their doctor's offices. And the great thing about it is we are developing a new website. From there, patients will actually be able to see the wait time. So they can be able to see the wait time for our Bid Maddox location versus our Acres location. So if it's more convenient for you and it's more timely manner to go to our Acres, you can make that judgment off our website. Another great feature about our location too is while you're waiting for your physician or your provider, you can enjoy watching TV in your rooms. Every room has DirecTV in it. We give you the remote. Feel free to change the channels and enjoy as you wait for our providers. Our waits are very short, but while you're waiting, you feel free to watch TV and act like you're at home. Our consumers can get a hold of us by either visiting our website, which is sequoiapromptcare.com, or they can call our location here on Acres, which is 624-6800, or our BMX location, which is 624-4800.
And that's all for the February 2015 Kaweah Delta Newsreel. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next month.